Hello students, this is Unit 2 Current Electricity. Suppose if you take a atom, the inside of the atom nucleus is present which has a positively charged, negatively charged electrons which are around the nucleus with the respective orbits. So suppose if you take in the first orbit there are two electrons are there, and second orbit some few electrons are there, and third orbit also some electrons are there. So in the outermost orbit electrons which are loosely bound to the atom, they are detached from the atoms which is comes out from the atom. These are called free electrons. Suppose if you take one substance, in this substance more number of free electrons are there, that means we call so it is known as conductor. So in a conductor, the electrons which are moved in a random direction at room temperature, the electrons are moving in a random direction means there is no net transfer of charges. That is, one electron is moving in a direction and another electron is moving in opposite direction, so that there is no net charge is there. Therefore, there is no net current is passed by means of this conductor. Suppose if this conductor, when we connect to any battery, so the potential difference is connected to the battery, and the positive side here it is negative side, and the negative side we call so it is a lower potential, and positive side it is known as the higher potential. And inside of that conductor there are some positive charges and negative charges are there. The positive charges is always move in the direction opposite to the negative charges. Suppose when we give the potential difference, immediately all the negatively charged electrons which are moved from lower potential to higher potential, and the positively charges which are moving from higher potential to lower potential, so that the random direction is changed as a uniform direction. Therefore, there is a net transfer of charges are there. Therefore, the net current is produced. So up to this we discussed about flow of charges, and next we will discuss about electric current. What is known as electric current? The electric current is defined a rate of flow of charges through a given cross-sectional area is known as the electric current. Here rate of flow of charges means the charge which is divided by time. So rate means it is a time. So net charge by time is known as rate of flow of charges. Suppose if you take this is one charge and the positive charge is moving in this direction. When the current value we have to calculate capital I, which is equal to Q by T. That is a charge by time. And I average current we have to calculate with a particular charge with particular time interval. Therefore, del q by del t. Del t means that is a given time interval. And instantaneous current we have to calculate means the limit del t value tends to 0, which is equal to del q by del t equal to dq by dt. Now I is equal to dq by dt. The SI unit of current is A ampere, and A 1 ampere. Our next topic is conventional current. Take one bulb and take a battery. The positive terminal is connected in this direction and negative terminal is connected in this direction. And usually battery is represented by one long line and small line. Long line mention positive charge, small line mention the negative charge. So when we connect the battery to the bulb, here the electrons which are moving in the positive direction, and in the opposite direction the positive ions are moving. So the positive ions are moving in the opposite direction, that we called it is known as the direction of current. By mathematical expression, the flow of positive charge equal to the flow of negative charges, this is known as the conventional current. And next topic is known as the drift velocity or drift electrons. And suppose if you take one conductor, in this conductor there is a abundance of free electrons are present, and these free electrons are moving in random directions, and positive ions also there. So the absence of electric field the random direction the electrons are moving, therefore no net current is created here, because n number of electrons moving in one direction and n number of electrons are moving in opposite direction, they are cancel each other, therefore there is no net flow of charges, that's why no current is produced. Suppose if you connect a battery to the conductor and positive terminal is connected here, negative terminal we will connect like that. Therefore, the free electrons move towards the positive direction. Therefore, in this free electrons, when they are moving and in that path there is some positive ions are there, they are collide to the positive ions. Because of the collision, the direction of the negative ions diverted. So each and every time they are divert, and this motion is known as the zigzag motion when electric field is applied. So here we can use the velocity, no, that velocity we call, so it is known as the drift velocity. So drift velocity is defined as the average velocity acquired by the electrons inside the conductor when it is subjected to the electric field. Here there is a time gap is there in between the collision, that we can take a t1 t2 like that, so that the average or mean free time we can calculate, that is known as tau. So tau we can define as the time, average time between successive collision is called mean free time, which is denoted as tau. Suppose the acceleration a vector equal to, we have to take a minus E vector into E divided by M, because force F is equal to ma according to the Newton's second law. When we take this m down, means F by m equal to acceleration a. Therefore, force is E and by m, this is known as the acceleration. By rearranging this equation, a vector equal to minus E vector by m. And generally we know that velocity equal to distance by time, so that acceleration equal to velocity by time, therefore velocity equal to acceleration into time. Here the drift velocity vd vector equal to acceleration is a vector into time, that is a mean free time, that is tau. Therefore PD vector equal to minus E vector by M into tau. So we have to write separately. Therefore minus E tau by M into E vector. This E tau by M is nothing but it is known as mobility, that is denoted by the symbol mu. Therefore mu equal to E tau by M. Therefore, Vd vector equal to minus mu into E. So, mu value when we are writing modulus of Vd vector by modulus of E vector, and drift, the mobility, we have to define as the magnitude of drift velocity per unit electric field. This is known as mobility. The unit of mobility we have to write. The velocity we know that in the numerator it is meter per second, and the electric field volt per meter, so that when we rearrange it, m by s into m by v, therefore m square by vs, so that the SI unit of mobility is meter square divided by volt second. So this is known as the mobility.